Hello, my name is Mango. Product quality is our confidence. Come, let's take a look. Using 304 stainless steel and welding technology, ensure the completion of the frame assembly structure. The follow-up work of the machine starts with the frame. First of all, ensure the firmness and durability of the machine. Sufficient equipment and materials. Structural assembly. Conveyor belt structure. Assembling a safe power supply box. Running debugging effect. Machine packing. Fixed cargo. Cargo packing. Loading the goods. Safe departure.